coming up on the entrance point for Iguazu Falls. They get the name from the local indigenous tribes in this area, in this jungle. And basically the story is that God fell in love with this woman. What the fuck was that? Damn, his GoPro. Damn. Bro done dropped his whole GoPro. You gotta go down there now. Ninja time. So basically, there was a god. It might have been God himself. Fell in love with a woman. Now don't quote me on the complete details of the story, but fell in love with a woman. But that woman left him for a mortal man, or something like that. So to condemn the mortal man, he split this river in half, which created the Iguazu Falls. It's the wrath of God. So we about to go in the midst of the beast.
Jump when we walking,
and go for it.
Climb back up.
You're gonna have to throw it up. You're gonna have to throw it up and climb back up on these rocks. These rocks right here. Damn. It's right there. Keep walking. Got the shades on. Need help? Better not do that when them falls come. It's amazing. This is a God dream. This is everything. Ultralight beams. We don't want no devils in the house.
Y'all see this right now, but we over here in the Iguazu Falls. Yo, Iguazu, we literally near the mouth of this ferocious waterfall.
I'm recording the whole video with my GoPro. Even stop my arm out. So get the whole thing on GoPro video, man.
It's really ridiculous how much water comes in.
Yo, that looks peaky. Look at that. Sit down, please.
Oh yeah, it's time to go hit the mouth, go in the mouth. So we got our rain jackets on, we got the ponchos. I ain't got nothing. I went through the whole effect.
Please.
So we about to go see what's going on. Stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned.
Head in there. Alright, here we go. Oh snap. Oh. They weren't
Yo, say what's up. I think you need some of these in it. Yeah.
We out here in Iguazu Falls. Just got soaked. Loving it though. Oh, now it's y'all's turn.
Oh shit.
How you feeling? He was on here, damn. What?
He thought it was over.
Probably the cleanest shower I ever had, though. Huh? Dang.
Ooh, that was wild.